In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send behalf of in Outlook. This process works in recent releases as well as many older versions of Outlook, so you can follow along no matter what you're using. Start by launching Outlook as you normally would. Once it's open, create a new message by clicking New Email. This opens a standard compose window where you'll write and send your message. Before you start typing, make sure you can see the From field. This is the key to sending on behalf of someone else. If you don't see it near the top of the message window, go to the Options tab on the ribbon and click From. That action makes the From field appear so you can pick the mailbox you want to send from. Next, click directly in the From field. If you already have access to multiple mailboxes, you'll see a list to choose from. Select the mailbox you're sending on behalf of if it appears. If you don't see it, choose Other email address. A prompt will open where you can manually type the email address of the person on whose behalf you're sending. Type it carefully to avoid typos. A quick note here, sending on behalf typically requires that the mailbox owner or your administrator has granted you the appropriate permission. If you don't have it, Outlook may prevent the send or your message may not go out as intended, so be sure your access is set up beforehand. With the From field set, compose your email as usual. Add a clear subject line, write your greeting, and draft the body of your message. You can use Outlook's formatting tools to make the content easy to read and attach any files you need. Double-check that your tone reflects the person you're representing, since the recipient will see that you're sending on their behalf. When everything looks good, click Send. The recipient will see that the email was sent on behalf of another person. In most clients, it will clearly display both names for clarity, indicating that you sent the message on behalf of the mailbox owner. This helps avoid confusion and keeps communication transparent. If you ever need to repeat this, the From field will remain available in future messages, and Outlook often remembers recent addresses, making it faster next time. Just verify the chosen mailbox before sending to ensure you're using the correct one. That's it. Thanks for watching.